Hi guys, Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom. With the coronavirus, everybody's in lockdown, no matter where you live. Nobody has got any extra cash. Most people are at home. Help, how do I cope? Is that what you're thinking? It's really scary at the moment. What if I could show you a solid business plan for $1? $1. Let me show you what's in this business in a box for $1. Eric Salgado is the owner and he's decided to help people with the pandemic, and you can start for $1. Okay, when you join this business, you can get more than 30 funnels in different niches. You get training, promotional material on Trello. You get organic training, organic traffic training, which I do in my Kings and Queens of Teaser post anyway. So you already know this. Paid traffic training, scale your business, all the training is inside that you need. Okay, how does this work? What you do is you get somebody on a Zoom call and show them this funnel or send them this video. Okay, a lot of people like dentists, real estate, yoga teachers, here they are, pet shops, yoga, smoking, beauty, facials, music, mechanic. There are 30 different funnels that you can actually show people. And would you like to get more leads for your business? One new niche funnel is being added every week. So all you do is you promote the free product funnels. You can, when they upgrade, you will get paid. So you can create and sell your own products on Builderall. You can do blogs, you can do websites, create sales funnels, create templates. All the training is inside here. You can get your, there is a little, there's no risk. Look, if you can't make one sale, you need shooting. Let me show you inside Builderall itself. Right, inside Builderall itself, there is a plethora of tools. You can build websites, you can build funnels, you've got emails, you've got this magazine builder. Magazine builder. For instance, I love these. I've always wanted one of these. All you have to do is change the pictures, change the words, and you can sell this for like, I don't know, $40, $50 or however much you want. You can put links, people's links, so that they link to products. That is extremely helpful to people, isn't it? How else can you earn money on here? This is the one I was looking for, Mock-up Studio. If you went on Fiverr and you got somebody's logo, there are hundreds of things you can put people's logo on and do them. There is a book cover, there's even a milk carton. Just imagine if somebody wanted a brilliant logo, you can sell anything on here for a $5. So this is just the tip of the iceberg, guys. You can do absolutely anything in here. There's WordPress. There's an e-commerce site. You can do a chat bot. You can auto post on Facebook. The sky's the limit. I'm not going to go through them all because you will get totally overwhelmed. There's an autoresponder on Facebook, autoresponder on Instagram. You can generate scripts, you can send emails. You can even do text messaging. The sky is the limit, guys. If you get this for $1, let me just show you one of the funnels that you can promote. So basically, if you want business builders, you show them this video. If they want to target specific niches, you can then show them one of the niches inside here. They're all the same. You have to go onto the dollar thing here because they're all in dollars, because obviously America rules. So you scroll down and you find the links. So if you are an affiliate marketer and you want to give away the 6 pillars to success, for example, it's already made. If you want, hold on, it's quite, there's at least 30 in here. You can actually become a free affiliate, but you don't get all the tools. So here they are. There's a dentist. Let's have a look at the dentist one. Does your dentist need more clients? Yes. Does your yoga teacher? Does your gym? Does your dog groomer? There's a dog groomer funnel. So if you want to approach local businesses, you can say, hey, would you like a website to give out a free gift, a free checkup, follow up with emails, and get more clients? Then it tells you what Builderall is, how to get customers, how this funnels works, and how many clients they're going to get, because they're going to become a customer magnet machine. All these are in here. There's a real estate, martial arts, boot camp, dog grooming. They're all exactly the same, but you can give out free gifts. Let me have a look. This one here is a free gift. So if you're an affiliate marketer, you've got your 6 pillars to affiliate marketing success. So if you wanted leads for your own business, you could send this out. Then you get leads to your email list. Then you could retarget them with other products in that niche. So this is how to build your list. This is already in. The joy of this one, tips from the top. Download this funnel. On the thank you page, you can put an upsell. So thanks for downloading my ebook. I thought you might like to have a look at this as well. And there's another button, and it's a $10 product. The chances are quite high that they're going to have a look at that $10 product, or it could be a $50 product. So in a nutshell, guys, that is Builderall today for $1. I strongly suggest you try this out and let me know that you've joined. I'm going to put the link below because this is amazing. All you got to do is show them the potential that they can earn with this, because when they've got the $1, you've shown them other people can get it for $1. When they upgrade, it's $70. So you're going to make $70 at least from one person, give or take a couple of dollars for the transaction fees. So imagine if you could get 10 people at $70, they give you an extra $50 for being a good affiliate. And then the next month after that, even if you don't do anything else, you're going to get $200. Just like paying the electricity bill, you get money in your sleep. So month 2, if you do another 10, 750 plus 200, 950. Can you see the potential? this is going out to all the people in my team. So whoever showed you this video, get back to them and get their link, because this is open for anybody to share who's in my team. And if you're not in my team yet, click the link below. Let's set your emails up and I'll send you the 10 email sequence. So once you've got a lead, don't let them go. Follow up, get them in the Builderall affiliates group, and let's get you started on this brand new business that Eric Salgado was giving us for $1. You can see the potential, can't you? Click the link below and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.